So we know the area of this top part here is 8 feet squared. So what we need to do is actually find the area of the red part, and we have 2 by 10, so 2 times 10 equals 20 feet squared. So that is this area in here. Now we want to know the percent that is of the entire shape that is shaded blue. So first we need the area of the entire shape. So let's add these two together. 20 plus 8 gives you 28 feet squared. That's the entire shape. And then to find the percent, you have to take the part that's blue and then divide it by the entire shape, which is 28. That gives you 0.2857, blah, blah, blah. And then we need to change this to a percent, so we're going to move our decimal point over 2 places and then round to the nearest tenth. So you should have 28.6. And don't put the percent sign because we're working with assessments.